Welcome to this video on how to install your Robotiq Screw Feeder. First of all, place the screw feeder on a workbench that is level. Make sure to position the screw feeder in an area that is reachable by the robot arm. Secure it by gently inserting the screw feeder in between the two brackets provided with the kit. This will stabilize the screw feeder without hindering its vibration function. Once the screw feeder is secured, route the device's I/O cable to the robot controller. Connect the brown, blue, and black wires to the USB converter as shown here. The black wire, ground, should be connected in one of the robot's 0-volt configurable outputs. To avoid electrostatic discharge, ESD, connect the earth cable of the screw feeder to the robot controller using the provided wire. To complete the screw feeder installation, connect the parts of the power supply cable. Then connect one end of the power supply cable to the power input at the back of the screw feeder, and the other end to an electrical outlet. Now, simply turn on the Robotiq Screw Feeder using the power switch. The status LED should turn on. The vibration function should be enabled, and the internal components should be set in motion a few seconds afterwards. Congratulations! Your screw feeder is now up and running. See you in the next videos, where you will learn how to adjust the screw feeder for a specific screw type.